Okay. Then we are discussing about the Kala Pramana, how to find the date of an inscription with the help of a technique called Katapayadi. Yesterday I discussed that there is no here you can see Ka is 1, Ka 2, Ga 3, 4, 5, Cha 6, Cha 7, 8, 9, and 0. Yeah. Ta is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Na is 0. Pa is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ma is 5. Ya, ra, la, va. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, la. La is 9. Okay. There is no value for the vowels. Then ka, kha, ga, kha, you can use this chart. Then ka, kha, ga, kha, nga is 5. Cha is 6. Here 6. Cha, cha, ja, cha. Nya, nya is 0. Then ta, tha, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Then pa, pha, ba, pha, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then ya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is La. La. Then why it is called Kadapayadi? Because the first number Katapaya stands for 1. Therefore, it is called Kadapa Adi. Adi means like that. So forth. Then Katapayadi. Then Katapaya Adi. Adi means so forth. Then we can try this one. This is a Kadapayadi bird used in the well-known poem Narayaniyam. Was written by, see, Narayaniyam. Here, Ayur Arogya Saukyam is used to date the Narayaniyam. Narayaniyam is a 16th century, 15th century poetry written by Melputtur Narayana Bhattadiri to praise Lord Guruvayurappan, Mahavishnu. Then it's a well-known kriti, and it's read all over India. Then we can find what is Ayur Arogya Saukyam. You can take the pen and paper along with your calculator. Then I told you how to find the value of Ayur Arogya Saukyam, or what is the equivalent Kali Dinam, Kali year of the term Ayur Arogya Saukyam. Then first we can write Ayur Arogya Saukyam in the paper. I use Devanagari. U Ra Ro.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
The first time when this Kadapayadi was used in this system, can you date that? The first and the earliest.
Actually, it is hard to say about the date because it's it used in the during the Vedic period, later Vedic period, to remember the shlokas. I mentioned you the mantras. It is very difficult to say in which period it started. It was an old
very
technique,
good,
one of the
very
old technique.
good.
Then we can see
Then
from
another
4th
half
century onwards.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, yes.
From 4th century onwards, we can see in the literary text they are
No,
using regularly, and also in the inscriptions later they are
no,
using in the inscriptions.
no. Actually, this there is one date which is mentioning the date of Tiruvalla Sri Vallabha temple,
That
which
is
is
a 11th century plate. It is very later. Before that, we have many examples.
no.
9th century.
It is not in plate. It is in a sloga written in a pamphlet with the tantri, and which dates it back to BC 200 something.
It's an imaginative date. Nobody is
Uh,
there in only some tribal people are there in Kerala during in that period BC before Christ. Nobody is there. These are all written later, and
okay.
then we can come back because we want to do some
Okay.
problems. Then only you can understand. The vowels, no vowel has the value, therefore you can take it as 0. U, what is the value of U? Yeah,
1.
1. Yeah is 1. You can see here 1. Sorry, no, this one. U is also 1. Yeah, U. Then Ra. Ra is 2. Again Ra. Ro.
2.
2. In the case of Gya, you can take the second one, not the first one, Ga. Instead of taking the first one, you can take the second one. Ya is 1.
1.
Then Sa. What is the value of Sa? Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa.
Seven.
Sa is 7. Sa is 7. You can write 7. And the next one is Kya. You can take the second one. That is Ka and Ya, the second one. Okay, I repeat. A is a vowel. There is no value for any of the vowels. Then Ya is 1. Hello. Ra is 2. Ra is 2. Ya 1. Vivek and Rajesh, can you please mute your if you are talking? If someone is talking like that. Okay. Ayurarogya. Gya means yeah, you can take ga and ya. Then the second one you can take that is 1. Ya is 1. Sau. Sa is 7. Again kya. Ya, the value of ya is 1. Okay. Then this is the value 0122171. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then in the next step, you can write along with that. This is step number 1. First, you can write Ayurarogya Saukyam. Then you can take the values, corresponding values. Is there any doubt in the first step?
No, sir.
Okay. Then reverse the value. That is 0122171. You can reverse it as 1712210. Reverse it. Simply reverse the value. Okay. Then you take this value divided by the days of an year. That means divided by with 365.25876. Use your calculator. Then divide 1712210 divided by 365.25876. Take your calculator and find. Then the result is
4687.66306936.
okay. Take the calculator, then you can type, then you get the answer 4687.0.66306. Yes. I want to know all of you get the answer.
Sir, why reverse the numbers?
Pardon?
Why we are doing the value reverse?
Reverse.
We go-
That is the formula.
Okay.
Actually, we are creating the word before it is in the reverse form.
Okay.
Therefore, after getting the value, this
Yeah.
one is the actual result. Then the first step you want to reverse it. That is the, otherwise it's a mistake.
So whenever
All
we are
the-
doing
all
this,
the-
we have to reverse, isn't
Pardon?
it? Whenever we are doing, we have to reverse the number, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
If you want to create a Kadapayadi word, a Karidinam word, first of all you want to reverse it. Suppose my vehicle number is 5145, I want to reverse it 5415. Then I want to create.
Okay.
That is the rule. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Because that is the formula. Because otherwise there is a mistake. All are doing like this. If you are not doing it the reverse order, then there is a mistake. Then did you get the answer, all of you? 4687.66306. Is there any doubt? Okay. Then you can take this number 4687, then subtract it from 3926. What is 3926? I told you later. Now you can subtract it. 4687 minus 3926. 4687 minus 3926 is equal to
761, sir.
761. This denotes the Malayalam era, that is called the Kolla year. Then if you want to know the equivalent Amno Domini common era, then you must have to add 825 along with that. 825. 761 is the Malayalam era. That is the era they are using in the Kerala or everywhere in Kerala. Therefore, if you want to know the corresponding common era, you must have to add 825 with 761. You get, what is the value?
1586.
1586 common era. This denotes Narayaniyam was written by Melpattur Narayana Bhattadri in the year 1586. Is there any doubt?
Sir, we have to subtract this 3926 from every time we get a number or for this only.
You want subtract. Subtract is 3926 that what is 3926? I told you. Every time you should subtract this number. This number you got from the division method. Here, the entire value divided by the number of days in a year is equivalent to this number. This part, the integer part, you want to subtract from 3926. Always 3926, there is no change.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Only this part will change, but this part never change. I told you what is 3926 later. Anyway, you get 761, then you add 761 plus 825, add 825, you get the common error, that is 1586. Is there any doubt?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Then there is a reminder. What is the reminder? Point 66306. Yeah. Then 0.66306 is there. And 66306, then into 12. What is 12? The number of months in a year is equal to 7.95672. Have you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then that means in the year 1586 common era, in the 7th month, see, in the 7th month, Narayanium was written by Medputhu Narayana Bhattadari. This is the number of the month, corresponding month, 1586 year, and also the 7th month. Then if you want to know the number of days, remember this part. Then you can multiply 0.95672, 0.95672 into 30. That is 28. Then I repeat, in the year 1586 common era, in the 7th month and the 28th day of that month, this poem was written by Medputhu. Okay, got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so simple. So simple, easy to remember. First step, you want to reverse it. Reverse it. Then the second step, you divided it with 365.25. Generally, we are taking only 2 decimals. But here, for more accuracy, you can take 0.25876. Then 5 places. Then if you divided this number with this number of days of an year, you get 4687.66306. Then you can take subtract it 4687 from 3926. I told you what is 3926.
Yeah, that's what.
Then you got 761.
Sir,
And
can you repeat 3926? I just missed the moment.
3926 I never explained. I told you later. Wait. Then 3926, 4687 minus 3926 is equal to 761. That is the Malayalam era, the year they are using everywhere in Kerala. Then you can add 825 along with that. Then you get the common era, the Abno Domini 1586. Okay. Then you got the day, a year. Then you want to find the month. In which month it was written? It is in the seventh month. You got the answer. How you got? 0.66306 into 12 is equal to 7.95672. Then that means he written this one in the seventh month. Then, if you want to find the number of the day of in which he was written is 0.95672 into 30. It is equal to 28. Then, no need of this part. Then, you can write 28 day, 7th month, 1586 AD. Any doubt?
Sir,
Ah,
can we get the time as we go further if we
if you
do
divide it
it
again, it will get the
divide
time. But
7
remember, yeah, actually there are some problem because all the months don't have the 30 days. Some months have 31 days, some has a 28 or 29 days like that. But these are an approximate date. Sometimes it may be 27 or 29. You forget about because you are doing the problem in the first time. If you want to fix the exact date, you want to go to the ephemeris. Ephemeris means Panchangam. There are calendar system, ancient calendar system, which was published by um, Swami Pillai. Then I'll show you. Indian ephemeris. He prepared 1,000 years calendar. Then this is 1800 to 2000. But before that, it from 700. It's from AD 700 to 79. It is also available in 5 or 6 volumes. You can go there, then find the exact date. You can download it and use it. Then, if you know how to use it, then it is very easy to find the exact date. Otherwise, if you use this kind of technique, then one thing is very important. All the months have different, sometimes 31, sometimes 30, sometimes and some months are at 28 or 29 like that. Therefore, there are some from this maybe 28 or 27 or 29 or something. A small change. But in the case of the, if you are a student, it is not a mistake. It is generally considered. If you know how to use the ephemeris, then you can find the exact date and time, everything.
Sir, this method is modern method or ancient method?
There are
Finding
many
the
methods to find the. This is a this is very simple, easy, and very easy method. Therefore, I am using this method to teach the students because and also for my references. This was first given by Professor Elamra Kunyapillai in one of his article in his paper related to Parthivaran Shepherd. He find the date along with that. Therefore, I am using this. It's so simple, very easy. But otherwise, they are dividing and much more complicated. Again, complicated. There are many 2, 3 methods. Some are using that method, but it is very difficult to teach a student in the very beginning. Then this one is so simple. You can find first get reverse it divided by 365.25876. Then the integer part you can subtract with 23926. Then again that remainder will be multiplied by 30. And the next one is sorry multiplied by 12, and the next remainder is to multiply by 30. There are only 5 or 6 steps. You can find the answer.
actually the first one 1712210 is Kalidinam.
That is Kalidinam, the number of days from 3926. We are subtracted it from 3926. That is the year Krishna was, Lord Krishna was killed by a Veda, by his arrow. Then the next day, that day, in the midnight at 12 o'clock, what happened? The Dwapara Yuga ends, then the Kali Yuga started. Therefore, it is considered as 3926 an imaginative date as the last day of the Lord Krishna. The next day it started as the Kali Dinam. Therefore, it is believed to be like that. It is a myth, but anyway, we are using this standard for a long time.
Sir, actually, in here in our place, there is a Kadapaya, the word Chairman Kadapada.
Yeah, we
Padagada.
can convert that. Keep it and write it in your notebook. We can find the answer of that. Wait. Then we want to complete this one. More
Okay.
examples we can give as the homework, and we can work. Tomorrow we can discuss about that. Okay,
Okay.
it's nice. Yeah. If you have more words like that, we can find. Then why 3926? The beginning of Kali Yuga is considered to be the 23rd January 3101 BC, according to the Gregorian calendar. It's an imaginative date. The exact date is 18th February 3102 BC as per Julian calendar. I think you know the difference between Julian calendar and Gregorian calendar, because in 1603, Gregory changed the calendar because he believed that 8 days the calendar is lagging for 8 years. Therefore, he added 8 years, and there are so many complications about the current system. Anyway, you forget about the calendar system which you are. That is called the Gregorian calendar, what you are using on hanging on your walls. Then, if you forget about this calendar system, Gregorian, whether Julian or anyway, you can Google it and find it what it is. Okay, anyway. Then 23rd January 301, this is an imagine. It's an only a hypothecation. Then about the beginning of the Kali Dinam, Kali Yuga. Then it's exactly 18th, because there are some changes in the Gregorian and the Julian. Anyway, then column year is column year, also called Malayalam era, started in Kali year 3926. That is in AD 825. So you are adding 3926 to the column year, will give you the Kali year. Therefore, you are adding 825 here. See, if you get 761, then it is believed that the Malayalam era, the column era, is started in there AD 825. Therefore, you are adding 761 plus 825 is equal to 1586 common era, or I'm not doing AD or whatever it may be. According to Puranic sources, Krishna's death marked the end of Dwapara Yuga and the start of Kali Yuga, which is dated 17th or 18th February 3012 BCE, lasting for the total number of years in the Kali Yuga is 432,000 years. That is equivalent to 1200 divine years. The divine years is almost like that. You forget about something, Brahmavashram or something. There are so many calendar systems. Kali Yuga began 5125 years ago and has 4,26,875 years left as on 2024. That is the current year. Kali Yuga will end in the year 4,28,899 CE. It is believed that these are all imaginations. You forget about all these things. Then, there are some, the rules are Na and Nya had no values. See what they say. These are all standard. Navana, Shashanya, Sankhya. There are so many. Lightly Lavadi, they are defining in various. Nya and Na has no values. There is it represents 0. Then there is vowel has no sounds. No values. It represents 0. 9 integers are represented by consonant group. See, only 9 integers. After 9th integer, the next one is 0. See, ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, then nya is 0. Then ta, tha, da, tha, na, ta, tha, da, tha, na, the last one is 0. Like that. These are very old definitions they are using. In a conjunct consonant, the last consonant will take to count. Okay, the last one of the conjunct one. That means in the case of ayurarogya, you take gya, ya instead of gya, ga, you take ya, and also in khyam, you take ya, ka. That means the last one you want to take it as a integer value. Then consonants alone will count. The consonant without a vowel is to be ignored. A, E, O, Ra, La is as 9, then Ra, like that. Okay. Is there any doubt? Oh, Kadabayas is patented. Okay. Any more discussion about the preliminary part?
How will you find this particular word in this, for example, in Narayaniyam?
Oh, that is
Which word
well
you will
known.
take this as a number or a date?
Yeah, because it is I told you how we find with experience with the literature and the inscription, we can easily identify where the date was written. Along with that, it's easy. There are some indications. I told you in the next example.
Okay.
Yeah. Can we go to the next problem? Is it okay? Is there any discussion about this one?
No, we can go.
Did you write it on your notebook? The
Yes.
sequence, the step 1, 2, 3, it is very important. Then only we
Yes,
can
sir.
do the next problem.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So then I'll explain your last question. See, this inscription is a Sanskrit inscription. I read this one, Sri, and this Grantha script, not Bhattacharya. You forget about. Then we want to find. We are now studying about how to find the date with the help from a Kali year. Srimanasti Chatu then Visargam. Samudra, this is Ma. Samudra, Parikha, Rekha, Lesson Mekhala, Murvi, Parvata, Pivarasthanatati. Okay, anyway. Then Raja Rama Ivaparo Jalanithe Parangadas Tejasa. Parangadas Tejasa. Rajyam Murthani Rajashekara. Idi Stitya Prasiddhingata. This is Shardula Vikritita meter shloka. There are 3 shlokas in this inscription. This was found from a place in the North Kerala called Kurumatur. Then the importance of this inscription is that this is the Prashasti. Prashasti means this inscription is the one and only inscription which narrates the Prashasti, the importance of the rule and their about their prosperity, about their importance, their rule, everything about the Rama Rajashekara, the second ruler of the dynasty of the second Cheras, Mahadevara Cheras. Then Rama Rajashekara, actually we believe before getting this inscription, we believed that he was the first ruler and the second ruler was Thanu Ravi Purashekara. When we after this inscription was found from the Kurumatur temple in North Kerala. Then we came. That was in 2012 or 13. Then after this, we found it changed the chronology of the second Mahodevara Cheras. Then the Sthanadeva Kulashekara was the first ruler, and the second ruler was Rama Rajashekara. Raja Rama Srimanasti Chatusam. Then the next line is Raja Rama Ivaparo Jalanithe. There was a Rama in Ramayana. He crossed the ocean by building one bridge. Yeah, a bridge. Jalanithe Parangada Stejasa. Then he became very well known all over the world. Then Parangada Stejasa Rajyamurthani Rajasekhara. Like that. Like the Ramayana Rama. This Rama also, Rajasekhara Idistitva for Satyangada. He is also became very famous, and this is a Prashasti. We got it as Prashasti. Then I answer your question, how do you find the year? See here, some part is not very clear in this photograph. Then I read it, this part. See the fourth line. This one is Ka. Kale Kalau. Netaram Yamavapyam. That means Kale Kalau. This Kali year. Kale Kalau. Kalau means the Kali year. Netaram Yamavapyam. Then you can find what is the value corresponding to Netaram Yamavapyam. How to find? Yeah. Netaram Yamavapyam. Na ne ta ram ya avapya. Netaram Yamavapya. You can find
Na
the
is 0, no, sir?
Yeah. What is the value corresponding to now? You can check here your chart.
0.
Here 0. Then ta
Ta is 6.
6. Ra
2.
2. Ya
Va
Kadavayadi.
is there.
Ya
Oh, yeah.
1.
Yeah. Yeah is
Yeah.
1.
Ma
Ma is 5.
5. Wa Yara. Sumud, can you please mute? Then Sumud. Okay. Then Va is Yara Lava 4.
4.
Then Pia. Pia means Ya. You can take the second one. Ya is 1. In the next, you can reverse it. Reverse it. 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 6, 0. What is the next step? All of you reverse. Reverse the value. Then after reversing, you want to divide it with 365.25876. Divide it.
Sir, why is 365.25856?
It is the number of days in a year.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the result? Nobody is answering.
3973.2380.
39?
73.
3973 point.
2380.
No. 5 digit. 2380
4.
4. All of you got it?
23804.
That's because you are using a normal calculator. It will round the last digit. If you are using, you can take this app and download the scientific calculator from the app, then use it the next time for accurate results. Okay?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
we got
Yeah. If you are
two-
using in a normal calculator, it will round, always round, and it will change. Yes. What is your question?
We got
please?
3973 23804.
Can you please repeat? I will check. Yeah.
238.
3973.23804.
3973.23804.
1451260. 1451
260. 260.
Okay. 260 divided by 365.25876 is equal to 3973 point. You can take only 5 places. Then 2.23804.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
subtract 3973.
3926.
3973
minus
minus
3926.
sorry,
26.
3926
26.
is equal to
47.
47.
47.
Sir, subtract, you are saying to subtract, you are finding the difference or subtract means it goes to negative in the sign will
No,
also come.
no. See, I'm using the same calculator. You can watch the screen.
No, it is 47, sir.
It's
No,
47.
no,
I
not for
think you
this
are
one.
using.
Not for this one, the earlier one. Ayurogya
No. I
Saukyam.
think if you are taking the second number from the first number, it will go to negative. If you go to negative, it is wrong because that time they don't have any system like this.
So you told me subtract from 3926.
See, 397, whatever it may be, remember this one, 3973 minus 3926 equal to 47. Is there any doubt?
No.
Okay. Then add 825. That is 872 AD.
872.
Yeah. This inscription was written. This inscription is a 9th century inscription. This was written in the year 872 CE. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then find the number of, find the month. Next one is the month. What was the reminder for that one? Can you please repeat?
0.23804, sir.
0.2304
804.
into 12
12.
is equal to,
2.856.
yeah, that is the second month. The second month in the year 872 CE, Common Era, and the second month of that year, then you can find the 0.85608, 0.85608
628.
Into 30.
eh?
Into 30.
Into
30.
30. into 30 is equal to 25th day
25.
of that month. This inscription was written in the year 872 AD in the second month and the 25th day. Any doubt, any discussion about this one? I think it is very, I think you are not doing. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From which place is this inscription?
This, I'll show you.
Sir, my doubt is in no case negative will not come.
In some cases, yes, because these are all historical inscriptions. Therefore, the date is only after 8th century or 5th century, 8th century, like that. Then only all these inscriptions are written during that time. But if it is negative, it means it is an imaginative year computation, that it is not correct. It is not historical. It is only imaginative. Maybe
Okay.
added by something for antiquity. They are going back BC and more. You forget
Sir,
about it. Yeah.
sir,
Here,
please repeat the calculation of month. I don't
no,
understand.
yeah, okay. Here is the place. Here, it is very near to Calicut. See, here is Calicut. Here is this temple near to Mokum. Here is the temple. This inscription. Oh, I repeat again the month calculation again. Do you know the year? How to find the year?
Yes.
Okay. Then reverse it. Divided with 365,25876. You got this answer 4687.66306. Then you add 761 plus 825 is equal to 1586 CE. Okay. Any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. No, I am asking
To
Blessy. Blessy,
subtract
please,
that number.
please on your
We have to-
sound and reply to my questions because you are asking. Yes. Then you got the year, and the next one is you find the in which month it was written. For that, you want to multiply this reminder, that is 0.66306. You want to multiply this one with 12. If you multiply this with 12, you got the answer 7.95672. Then this means it was written in the 7th month. Then the next reminder is 0.95672. Then it multiply with 30. Multiply, then the 0.95672 into 30 is equal to 28.7016. Then you can take it as 28 because that integer part shows that was the day in which it was written. Blessy,
Yes.
is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. This is simple, only 5 or 6 steps. Reverse it, divided by 365. Then take the integer and subtract 3926 from it. Then add 825. You got the number, the day, the year. Then multiply the integer, the next part with 12. You got the month. Then next with into 30, you got the number of the day in which it was written. Okay. Any more discussion?
Sir, this 47 we got the answer is
That is
Malayalam era.
Yeah, that is Kollam era.
Okay. With this
Then only
Kollam era,
if you want to find the Amno Domini or common era, then you add 825. Because in the year 825 AD, it is believed that the Malayalam era was started.
okay. So the 3926 is
The year 3926 BCE, in the year through 3926 BCE, the Kali year was started.
3926
E.
BCE.
Yeah.
Kali year was started.
Yeah. The Kali year was. These are all imaginative days. We don't know. This was introduced after 5th century, but
Sir, there is a small doubt.
yeah.
How that particular word is identified from that verse?
That's I told you here. Kali Kalu Netaram Yamavapya. It shows in the Kali year, Kali Kalau means in the Kali year. Everywhere they have some indications about, they are mentioned, the next word is a year, for year computation. Therefore, they mention Kali Kalu Netaram Yamavapya. This we know like this, Kaligalam means the Kali year we are mentioning. What is the Kali year? Netaram Yamavapya. Then you can find Netaram Yamavapya.
Okay.
So is that directly mentioning the Kali Yuga, the year of the Kali Yuga, or this one? Because
Now we find actually this one in the very beginning, it shows see how many digits are there? 2, 4, 6 plus 7 digits. This 7 digit actually denotes the number of days from 3926.
okay.
Yeah.
Sir, from which temple this inscription from? Mukkam, which?
Mukam, that temple is called Kurumatur temple.
Which one, sir?
Kurumatur. There are many Kurumatur. This one is a very small temple named Kurumatur. The place name is different, but the temple name is Kurumatur.
Is that place Mukkam?
It is near to Mukam.
Okay.
Louder, please, sir.
Pardon?
Temple's name.
Kurumatur. Kurumuthur.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, here the two indicate the month. Is it the month in February or the Malayalam month?
Oh, that is an excellent question. But actually, if you are added with, there are some, that one you want to fix along with the ephemeris, Panchangam. Then only you can identify the exact date. Because if you already added 825 along with that, you changed into the Amno Domini format, common era format, then it denotes this 2 means the February. Otherwise, it is Chinyam Kandi like Malayalam months. Yeah. There is a confusion. You want to fix it along with the ephemeris. Then only you can identify exact date.
Thank you, sir.
It is very important to know how to check the date with an ephemeris. It is very, very significant if you want to know the exact date. And Manoj, hello. Manoj? Hello, Manoj? He told me one chairman, Deshaprapyam, or something like that. Oh, sorry. Manoj? Okay. Cha in Devanagari. Che, Ra, Ma, Man, Deshaprapyam. De, Sha, Pra, Yeah. I think we talk like this or something. This one is also very famous. I have well known the word Chairman Deshaprapya. You can find it in your homework. Manoj? He's not there, I think.
But here we have 8 digits. Is it okay?
Yeah, there is a mistake, I think. I can understand what he said.
Sir, Deshaman, N,
Chairman.
N cannot, should not be counted.
This one is not there. Maybe like that. Maybe. I don't know that we can check with. He told me something like that. When I started this class, he asked me there are some in his village. There is another. Yeah.
Deshaprapya, it is some Karnataka, he told.
Yeah. There are two
Something.
preconditions. We have first one is the first one is 0. If it is reversed, it is the first one the series in the series. The first number is 1. It is that is the first precondition. The next precondition is it should at least 7 digits. Then only it is correct. If the first number is 0 or 2 or something like that, it means millions of years it changed. It's not correct. It should be 1. The first one is 1. That is the first precondition. The second one, the total number is 7. Total digits are 7.
This Chairman Deshaprapya, we can omit that N. That N is a Chillakshara.
And we can remove. I think there is. You can check it in the homework without this now. Then if you write in the Grantha script, this is called the Chile script. Chile. In the rule is that there is no value for Chile. But if you write in Devanagari, this one is a script. Therefore, I think there is a problem. You can try this one, Cherama Desha Prapya. Then what is the result? You can check it.
You want us to do it now or it's a homework, sir?
It's a homework. It's already 8 o'clock.
Okay.
You can check it because you are very familiar with it. Two examples are that's our historical examples.
Yes,
The
sir.
Kurumathur inscription and the 15th, 16th century Narayanian text. This are, we know the date of Melbathur Narayana Vattadhari and also the date of the Ramarajashekara, the second ruler. Therefore, these are inscriptions and the literary text are historical one. Now you know very well. Then if it is an imaginative date, then we can find it. Maybe
Okay.
this will get a negative answer, a negative value. then you can subtract it from 825. Then you get, I think, around 4th century. That means 325, 3450, like that. AD 325, 350, something like that. There are
Well,
so many imaginative inscriptions, imaginative Kadapayadi birds like this. These are all created during 15th or 16th century, but they imagine that it was happened long back in 4th century.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
That is no or no. We have to use no or no. The Cherama, no or no.
Oh, this one? Cheraman. I think this one. Cheraman. Tata
Okay.
Datama. Actually, we are writing that is only in Dravida form. This one is the real one because this is na and this is na. Both are different. One is Nasutala and the Falit and that. You forget
Which
about
one
it.
is na?
Too much. Actually, it is na. Na.
The previous one.
An.
No, sir. In this Vattezhuthu, which one is na?
Oh, this one. Inverted. This one.
But in this calculation, we are not taking that na now, sir.
Yeah. No. Otherwise, there are eight digits.
Yeah.
8 digits means it's
8
wrong.
digits.
Yeah.
So this holds good only in Grantha characters, not with the Vattezhuthu characters always.
Actually, these are all Sanskrit words.
Yeah.
It is unable to write along with the
Because
Vattezhuthu
it
script.
has
They are
the Varga letters also in
yes.
translation,
Yeah.
so it's
See,
not
these are all Sanskrit inscriptions are written in Palo Grantha. This is a very typical Palo Grantha script. Shriman Asti Chatus Samudrasi. It's a Sanskrit Raja Rama Iva Paro Jalanidhi Parangataste Jasa Rajamurthi Rajashekhara Idistitva Prasathingatam. It's a beautiful poem. So beautiful. Yeah. There are 3 shlokas in Shardula Vikridita meter here.
Sir,
Hmm.
there must be 7 or greater than 7 letters are needed for calculating this here. Is it?
Oh, that means it's a wrong. It's there is an error.
That means 7 is must minimum.
Yes, I told you again. There are 2 preconditions. One, if it is after reversing this one, the first digit is 1, and also the second precondition is at least 7 digits. If there's 6 digits, it's wrong. Or say 8 digits, it's wrong. No, only 7 digits.
Only 7.
Yeah.
Sir, in your experience, which is the earliest Kadapayadi reference you have seen?
See, when you go through the classical text, they refer many Burmese references, earlier Burmese references. Then, see, all over South Asia, this standard is using every word. It is unable to say here and it is. You forget about the political map of India. This actually the geographical terrain is started from, as I mentioned earlier, all the way from Hindu Kush to Cambodia, entire Southeast Asia. They are all using the same technique. It
Okay.
is unable to say, yeah. Actually,
But,
this one is this
can
kind of
we
techniques
use-
which you have mentioned in the various literary text and inscription. That is, these are our references. But before that, we want to go all this. There are some Burmese references. They are given from 4th century or something. There are many things. Forget about the dates about which we have mentioned such kind of things. I think you can go through some classical text, the eras.
in Burmese
So many
text
things.
also all these consonants are there, like Devanagari or Malayalam?
See,
In
actually,
Burmese also.
all these scripts are originated from Brahmi. The entire South Asian
Ah,
scripts are originated from Brahmi in this same series. Sometimes they missed some of the letters because in their language, if they don't have any use of that one, they missed. Otherwise, all these are the child of the common mother called Brahmi. The entire South Asia.
okay.
Yeah. If you know Brahmi very well, you can read all the scripts if you spend some time in front of it. Any Indian script you can read. Any South Asian script you can read, including the Thai script. Everything else, this kind of scripts are derived from a common mother. Therefore, there are some changes over the centuries. It changed some.
I know Brahmi, sir.
curvature. Yeah. Then
I
you
learned
can
Brahmi.
read. Yeah. You can spend some time in front of that one, they can read that one. It's very the same pattern. Ka ka ga ka nga cha cha ja cha. The same pattern is there everywhere.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
in a script, suppose there is a place name or personal name, more than 7 letters. How we calculate the year?
From a place name.
From place name or person name, it's
Oh,
contain more than 7 letters. Then what we will do? Only take first 7, or
actually, this
is it
technique is
possible?
used to represent the year. First of all, they were see before writing the 1586 in Narayaniyam, he find the word accordingly, which one is suitable for that meter. Then meter means the vrta they are using. Then for fixing that meter, he created an artificial word equivalent to 1586 AD. First of all, you want to find the year, then create a word corresponding to that year. That is the technique. If you
Okay, but
have a word, if you already have a word like India, how do you find it is the equivalent of that one? You just create a number. It's because India or Bharat, Bha is 4, Ra is 2, then Ta is 6, like that. It's meaningless. A place name is meaningless, it's just a number. But if you want to fix a particular year in the literary text or the inscription, before that you want to prepare a word for that to fix that meter. Shardula Vikridita or Shraddhara or Kusumanjari or Malini or any other meter. First of all, you want to fix that word, then they are fixing along with that one. Kale, Kalu, Neta, Arabhya, Apya, Nirvriti Maga. Like that, they are using this word according to the meter they are fixing. First of all, you want to fix it. Then you write along with the literary text or the inscription. That is the rule. Otherwise, it is meaningless. So, what is the equivalent of Rajendu? It's a personal name. If it is Ra is 2. Ja, cha, cha, ja, cha. Ja is 6, 7, 8. Then Na, da, you can take. What is the? Ta, tha, da. This one.
8.
Da is 8. What is the meaning of that one? No need of that one. Are you clear? Are you?
Sir, but in our example, suppose
Mhm.
there is a na, Cheraman.
That you forget about that one. These are all artificially created by someone in the 16th century. You find the date, maybe it's around 4th century, like that. These are all
Sir, this is
imaginative dates.
minus. Sir,
Eh?
the answer is minus 519.
Yeah, you can subtract 825 minus 519. It's around 350 AD, I think. I told you earlier, because all these imaginative dates, they believed that the Chera kings were lived in the 3rd and 4th centuries. They believed that. But according to the inscriptions, we know that this inscription, when we found these inscriptions, we understood that this year is, they lived in the year, they are between 844 to 1122 CE. That means 9, 10, 11, and 12th centuries they lived. Okay. Any more questions? Any more question? Please.
No, sir.
Okay. Then someone is there from Siddham?
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
She got injured, so she will not join for some day.
Oh, okay. Anyway, yeah.
Yes.
I think the session is over. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank
thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much, sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank
we
you.
will meet again tomorrow,
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Good
much.
night. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good.